So I thought I'd show everybody these lightning bugs on July 4th because my fireworks science was complete trash. Nothing I tried to do succeeded. So I caught a couple lightning bugs and just showed you the lightning bugs taking off from my hand. But here, look, he keeps landing on the GoPro. Look at that. Every time I had him take off, he either landed on, well, the first time it was the power cord, the USB cord. Now this guy, he just keeps landing on that blinking red light. You might be able to see it reflecting in my hand. And after a while, I realized, look at him chase down the GoPro. After a while, I realized he likes the blinking red light. He thinks it's a female. He thinks the GoPro's the female. And I'm like, what are you doing, brah? I thought he wanted the electrical tape because I had it repaired with electrical tape because I've dropped it so many times, stepped on it so many times. It's like, well, he is bioluminescent. He is an electrochemical creature. Maybe he wants that electrical tape. Maybe he's got a short. And, yeah, the only short circuit is in his brain. He wants to make love to the GoPro. Look at him. He's just chasing me down. I'm backpedaling. This dude is like one of those guys who has a fetish for the automobile. So, oh, I love my car. I want to make love to my car. This guy's like, I love that red blinking light. I want to make love to the GoPro. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Anyway, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I'm never going to have videos like this ever again.